Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're taking a closer look at an exciting little off-road machine, the 2025 Suzuki RM 62. Whether you're into dirt biking or just love the thrill of small displacement two-stroke bikes, the RM 62 is a pocket rocket that delivers fun, agility, and pure off-road adrenaline. Let's jump right into what makes this bike stand out in 2025. Asterisk first off. The RM 62 is part of Suzuki's legendary RM series, a lineup that has long been respected in motocross circles. While the RM 85 and RMZ 250 are more commonly talked about, the RM 62 carves a niche for itself as a lightweight, beginner-friendly dirt bike designed for young riders or adults who want something fun and compact for trail or practice use. It's an excellent choice for those learning the ropes of off-road riding. Asterisk, the 2025 Suzuki RM 62 comes with a 62C two-stroke, single-cylinder engine that's air-cooled and built to provide strong, low-end torque and high-revving fun. Suzuki's engineering ensures the power delivery is smooth, but still peppy enough to make you smile every time you open the throttle. The power bank kicks in quickly, and the sound of that little two-stroke engine roaring through the dirt is enough to bring a wave of nostalgia and excitement. Asterisk, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the gear shifts are precise and responsive, giving riders full control over their off-road performance. The clutch action is light, making it perfect for younger or less experienced riders to build their confidence while still enjoying a proper manual experience. The lightweight design also helps make this bike incredibly maneuverable and responsive. In tight trails and turns, asterisk in terms of suspension, the RM 62 is built with serious off-road capability in mind. It features long travel front telescopic forks and a rear monoshock that offer enough travel to soak up jumps, ruts, and rough terrain. Whether you're riding on a dirt track or bumpy trails, the suspension setup ensures stability and control. It's built to handle punishment while keeping the rider comfortable and in control. Asterisk. Braking is taken care of by drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels. While disc brakes are more common on larger bikes, the drum setup here is more than adequate for the power and speed of the RM 62. It also helps keep costs and maintenance low, which is great for young riders and parents alike. Asterisk. The styling of the 2025 RM 62 is inspired by its bigger siblings in the RM lineup. The bright yellow plastics, bold RM graphics, and high fenders give it that unmistakable Suzuki motocross look. It has a slim, race-ready profile and a tall seat that encourage good riding posture. The ergonomics are designed to help young riders shift their weight easily while standing or sitting, which is essential for building good off-road riding technique. Asterisk. The seat height is around 760 millimeters, making it accessible to a wide range of riders, especially younger ones. The total weight of the bike is just about 55 kilograms, which makes it incredibly light and easy to control. Whether you're loading it into a van or maneuvering it through tight corners on a trail, the RM 62 feels nimble and confidence inspiring. Asterisk. Fuel capacity sits at approximately 3 liters, which is enough for hours of off-road riding given the bike's small engine size and fuel-efficient two-stroke design. Plus, the simple carburetor setup makes tuning and maintenance easy, which is perfect for beginners or riders who enjoy working on their own bikes. Asterisk. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Suzuki RM 62 is priced around PKR $395,000 in the Pakistani market. For a bike that brings genuine off-road DNA, solid build, quality, and that classic two-stroke feel, it's a great deal for young riders or anyone looking for an affordable way into the world of dirt bikes. Asterisk. To wrap it up, the 2025 Suzuki RM 62 is a small bike with big potential. It's ideal for learners, perfect for fun weekend rides, and backed by Suzuki's strong reputation in motocross. If you're looking for an entry-level dirt bike that doesn't compromise on thrill or reliability, the RM 62 should definitely be on your list. Asterisk. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews on the latest bikes, dirt machines, and everything two-wheeled, make sure to subscribe to Bike Scout. Ride hard, ride safe, and see you in the next one.